G'day everyone, it's Rob the Axeman here, Axeman's Family Fishing and Adventures again, and we're back out off Mt.Martha. A lot nicer today, probably only about 5 to 10 knots. We've got Summer on board and Riley again, hoping to catch a snapper today and let them have the first rods. So we're pretty happy with yesterday's fish, and we'll come back out to the same spot so we can get another one on. We're just about ready there for sunrise in about 15-20 minutes, so hopefully something will come on like it did yesterday. So we did no good out at the 23 metre mark. There was nothing out there at all. Caught a couple of small flatheads, but that was about it. So we've just come into another mark. We've got sort of between Mt.Martha and Mornington on about 20-21 metre mark. Saw a couple of arches there, so we've just pulled up and thrown out the rods. Mixture of squid, rally, silver whiting. See if we can pull out anything from here. If not, we will pull up stumps and go see if we can catch some squid in between Mornington and Mt.Martha to use for fresh bait, and we'll probably have another crack later this afternoon. That's a message, I better get it. So we've done no good this morning on the snapper. Nice weather, but no good. So we're just off Mount Eliza at the moment. 2 or 3 metres of water, just seeing if we can pick up some squid. We're going to probably have an afternoon session today, so we can pick up some fresh bait, that might help. Come on, nice little squiddy.
Oh, nice squid.
It's coming in. Well hooked. It's a nice bait, that one. Good size for bait. Straight in the bucket. You got some water in there, Sweaty? Whoa! Quick! Put him down. Alright, so we can get some more. Again. It's up on the surface there. It's had a big ink. Might be a little bit bigger, this one. Oh no, pretty much the same size. Just caught by the one.
Nice job again.
Nice dark one. There's a ripper.
Good job, Dad.
Just hooked. That's my go-to at the moment. Just a little 2.5 natural pilchard sort of pattern. Seems to be doing well. Yep, and again, this one we're just off Mornington now. It's a nice little one.
Good bait.
Good bait. Oh no! He's off. Lost him.
Got the net.
It's gone, sweetie. He's gone like last week's bait. Next cast on again. Hopefully this one will stay on. Get the net there, sweetie, get over the edge ready. You don't want to lose it. It's up on the surface there, get your net in the water. So go underneath it, alright? In the water, sweetheart. In the water, in there. There we go, that's it. Nice one. Great bait size.
Nice one.
Next cast.
Next cast.
Got a few in the bucket now, which is good. Just off right on the point here at morning.
Come on.
Bring him over this side.
This one behind my
Go around the other side, right around the other side.
This one behind my lure on my cast before this one.
Yep.
So I cast it back at it.
Bring it right over this way, dude. Nice one. Yay! He's caught something today, finally. Wait! Oh! Are you for real? Disgusting. Nice one, Riley. Finally got one. You happy now?
Yep.
Yeah, on again.
Nice. Today.
That's 5, yep.
You ready, Summer? That's a nice one too.
Nice dark one.
Yep. Get under it, Summer. Nice.
Ah, squirties.
I'm gonna name him Squirty.
There you go.
Squirty.
Skirter. Same pilchard pattern I've had all day. I've caught a 4 or 5 now. I have. Riley's caught one.
You've caught 4.
Good bait.
Riley's caught 1.
It's all about bait for snapper tonight. Good stuff.
Yep.
Riley's on again, is he?
Yep.
Oh, you are too. Yep. Where do you grab that?
Cast in the second thing. Second run, same spot, first cast. Nice little squid. Bring him in nice and easy.
Bring him, bring him. That's it, easy. Nice. There you go, so Riley's using a little green one, green pattern, green yellow with the orange belly. It seems to be doing alright now.
Yep. Here's my second one for the day.
Perfect bait size. It's trying to bite me. Another one in the bucket. So I had 3 squid follow up my bait right to the edge of the boat, and I just dangled it there and waited for one to grab it, and one grabbed it.
Nice.
Once again on the same one. Haven't changed it all day. Great bait.
7.
7, yep. Doing alright?
Yep.
Right behind Riley's down there at the moment, and I'm just trying to entice him to either come to Riley's or mine. He's on Riley's now.
Yep, got him.
Oh, and there's one behind mine, a big one. He's got it. Oh, double hookup.
Oh, double.
This is a good one. This was a big one, came right out of there.
Same here, this is one. Summer, I need the net.
Fair bit of ink out of these boys.
Okay, give me. Get under.
You got it?
Oh.
Hang on, I'll just try and grab this one without getting inked. Face those. Oh yeah, now that's a nice squid. That's a cracker. I've got it facing the other way. Now that's a beauty. There we go.
My one?
Double hook up. That's how many is that? 9? 9?
Yeah, I think 9. I've caught
I think that
3.
one might have to be dinner as well.
Yeah.
Good stuff, eh?
Yep.
Bucket full.
We got the big one. The big one doesn't fit. The big one doesn't.
There we go. There's all our squid. We've got 9 there, and we've got the squid jigs that we used. They're pretty much the only ones. So we've done all right today, haven't we?
Yep.
All for our snapper tonight. So it was a good little session. Just finishing off now at Mt.Martha. We're going to head back to Martha's Cove. It's not a bad little spot, this one. Haven't fished here before, so that was a nice find. Hopefully you guys can get on some too.